Number 9 from the same worksheet. Now notice on this one, the word and is written in there, whereas in the previous question, the word and was not written in there. We had to switch things around in order to make it like this. So there's sometimes an extra step in there, but this already has done the step for us. We can just go ahead and answer the question the way we have been doing it with the golden rule extensively. Use plus 9 on both sides, and then we get 9. N is less than or equal to 9. 9 plus 0. Then we're going to divide by 1 on both, or sorry, divide by 9 on both sides and get n is less than or equal to 1. There we go. That was good enough for now. We're going to write the word and because we know we're going to conjunct that. That's going to have, that's going to join us with the right-hand side here. We're going to go subtract 1 here on both sides. Again, the golden rule. Continually back to the golden rule all the time here. Negative 60. Nothing has changed, no sign changed, because we haven't divided or multiplied by a negative number. We divide by 12, we get n is greater than or equal to negative 5. Well, let's go to the number line, and don't forget to make sure we get number examples to see what this is going to look like. So less than or equal to 1. Let's take that first. Let's put the number 1 there. Less than or equal to means that it's going to be a closed dot, right? And less than or equal to, that would be to the left. So all our solutions are going to be things like 0. And these are examples. 0, negative 1, negative 10, negative 100. These are many examples, but they're all going to, we're not going to be able to include those unless we put a lot of shaded area to the left of our friend 1. So we want to make sure we fill all those in. You may want to do a more streamlined version, but I like putting the stubblies in. So now greater than or equal to negative 5. Negative 5, if 0 is here, is going to be down over here somewhere. Negative 5. We're already in the solution zone. We're going to have a closed dot because this is greater than or equal to. And when we try some closed dots, then we go over to the right, negative 5. We're going to go up here and then to the right, and that's going to make it work. Now, we can have dots over here, we can have dots over there, but what's really going to be the only thing that is going to work here is that solutions have to be from both these inequalities. So let's see what's this examples for this over here. Greater than or equal to negative 5 is going to be negative 4, negative 2, 0, 5, etc. And that's reflected in what we had here, but it's really only the ones that are going to work for both, because it says n is less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to negative 5. So they have to be that way at the same time simultaneously. Let's look at examples that would be that. We call this the mustache because this is really going to only include this very hairy region where there are a lot of common solutions. And there we go. We can draw that mustache in. That's how we find our and statements. There we go. So negative 5, positive 1, that's and everything in between is going to be our solutions. This is an and statement, and it's an and conjunction. And there you go. Don't forget the mustache.